Thank you so much, Jake. Congratulations. Once again, our last player of the game, Xavier Lucero. Let's now turn it over to the closing press conference.
Congratulations and good evening, Coach LA. Great defensive effort in limiting Barangay Ginebra to below 20 from the second quarter up until the fourth. At dagdag pa dyan, pag-limit rin ni Riley below his usual averages. What did you think of the defensive effort when Julio put up against Riley, making him more of a passer tonight?
No, again, I have to give credit to my players. No, they really came out this game. It's hard. It's hard after really frustrating or disappointing loss last Friday, and then we came out aggressive defensively to this game. Give credit talaga to my players. They responded really well to the challenge na binigay ko sa kanila. I told them that this game will be a defensive game. Knowing Coach Tim and knowing Barangay Ginebra, they really take pride in their defense. So I told them that we're going to bleed each point, but defensively, we have to make them work also. We have to be assertive also, or more so, on our defense against their execution. Because I know that Ginebra is really good at executing their offense. So we really take pride in our defense of today's game. Yes, we had a very okay offensive night. This guy is shooting threes also. So I mean, offensively, I just told them every time we start, just be confident. Instead of turning the ball over, so just shoot the ball. At least may chance. So, but I really like what I saw with the whole team is really the defensive effort. Playing Ginebra is not easy. So it's always hard to play Ginebra.
Now we open the floor for friends from the press.
Coach, good evening. You also limited RJ to only 6 points. Ano lang yung lagi mo sa kanya, especially after that game na he scored this conference side?
Well, kung meron ba nakakilala kay RJ siguro dun sa kanina sa court, sa amin sa team, I think ako siguro yun. So, I really have to, RJ is a superstar. We cannot just play him straight or we just have to play him normal. We treat him like an import. I have so much respect for RJ. I know him. So, nililingin plano namin. Again, I have to go back to all the players who guided, the whole team actually. We were very disciplined with our game plan. So, yun naman yung maganda sa game natin.
Congratulations. Big win for you guys. You're 24 tonight. Said that you already had a conference line for the first half. Was there any conscious effort for you to score as early as possible?
No, no concept. First of all, I'm worried about it. My shots are falling tonight, but you gotta say, as long as the ball is moving, someone's gonna get over shots. Tonight it was me, and thanks for being out there, But yeah, no conscious effort. No conscious effort is on defense.
How did you guys try to make a quick turnaround after that heartbreaking loss against Ringer Shiny last Friday?
We didn't have a choice, we lost that one and not in a good way, so we needed this one. We put ourselves in this position and I'm just happy that we were able to come out and do what we were supposed to do, what we needed to do. So hopefully we can take this on to these remaining couple games before the break and head into the break in the better position than we were in.
How big is this game considering that the standings in your group is quite tight since any result can change the outcome of the standings?
Yeah, like I said, we needed it, especially over Ginebra, and I think that puts us high, and so it puts us over them. But we need these. We need these next ones. Everyone counts right now for us. We dropped a few, so we can't really take anyone lightly. We have to treat every game like it's a muscle. So yeah.
Coach, three-way time yung Ginebra and Blackwater for third, 2-8 at 2-3, going to the second round. Coach, kano ka bagay yung opponent talaga sa standings?
Especially sa our group, no? Yung group namin, hindi mo, very unpredictable yung group namin. We really have to find ways how to win every game, especially this coming second round. Plus, the coming 9 weeks na break. No? Medyo, yun. Kaya kailangan talaga mas maging prepared for that. But again, we're gonna take it one game at a time. We just have to do things na kailangan namin gawin every game. Let's say, for example, we're gonna play Friday against Meralco. I think the good thing is you have 1 week of preparation, and then you can, well, definitely Meralco will bounce back against us. Because we beat them the first time around. Ito yung mahirap dito sa format na to. Kung makakabalik, may chance talaga makabalik. So it's hard to beat like the PBA, just like what I said a while ago sa pre-game. It's hard to beat teams now in the PBA. Pero what more than twice more up, tatalo din, so masyadong mahirap. But we have to be ready. And I know my players will be ready. Will be ready for this week.
That sums up our post-game
Thank you.
press conference.
Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Coach LA,
Thank you.
and William Machi.